we're off on a beautiful fall adventure. We're heading to Barber Falls up in Eagle River, and we wanted to come out here to see the fall leaves and the beautiful waterfall. Take you along with us.
Look how blue. I like that. How cool is that, Carter?
I don't see any silver salmon.
No silvers? What the heck?
It's a beautiful, cold, rainy fall day.
Typical of Alaska, huh?
Yeah, typical Alaska, but it's still beautiful.
Yep, still worth it to be out, huh?
Yes, it is.
What?
Woo! Chilly. I think the car said 43 degrees when we got out. Sunday afternoon, October 1st. You want to do what?
No, you go skinny dipping.
You want to go skinny dipping?
No, you.
It's kind of cold for that.
Really?
Woo. Master photographer.
Yep. Trying to be.
One that makes our lives look so interesting and perfect. I don't know how you do it.
No.
Unless our lives just are that interesting and
They
perfect.
are. They are. Not faking nothing.
No.
How beautiful this is. So beautiful. It's so
Yeah.
pretty.
They really decide.
What about this one?
That's a big one.
I'll take that.
There you go.
Look at that.
Is that the biggest one, Tyson?
So far.
Yep. Well, we ventured off the trail, huh, Jace? Oh, I guess we're on another trail, but headed over towards the center of Eagle River. You might poke it, but I guess that would be a risk.
Oh, yeah.
I'm wondering if we could go this way.
Well, we took a trail down from the Barber Falls main trail and we made our way to the river. It's so pretty. I just love how the rivers have like a beautiful tint of blue to them.